today is just perfect conditions to spend time outside with dogs and look for new inspiration for some new projects and to feel this cold air and snow. Yeah, it's just amazing. It's a lot of snow today. Here is a lot of fallen trees. Yes, yeah. So I decided to walk. Yeah, and it's also good that kick sled is very light. If I have a situation like this, I can carry it. We are close. Yeah. G, puppy. Yeah. I don't let Abby run free because she's very interested in wildlife footprints in the snow. So I think then she will not listen me and run away. Yeah, it's so beautiful here. I managed to film fox from the window. A dog started to bark and yeah, they wake me up. And I knew then there is some animal. Yeah. Now they are quiet because the fox is gone. Sometimes they wake me up during the night because the fox is walking around here. Not very often, but it can happen. And because of how they are barking and behaving, I know then there is some animal walking around. Dogs are singing. Today my plan is to try to take some photos for my last sweater. So I'm wearing it now, and I have one idea, one place in the forest where I want to go and try to make some photo. I took one of my dogs who is always watching me and don't run away. So I trust him that he will stay with me, and it's great that I have a company for this project. Coming here, I was thinking why I decided to come here, why this place came in my mind, and when I saw this place I understood that it's very welcoming. It's not perfect, and I will not meet any people here, that's for sure. Yeah, so I can be here just with myself and